Hey, what's up everybody? This is Cody from Rack Attack, and today I'm here to walk you through an amazing product by RockyMounts. It's called the MonoRail. Now the MonoRail has a few different variations, but for the price point, it's one of the most popular racks out there from RockyMounts. This fits in a 2-inch receiver or an 1.25 inch. They have a variation with the 2-inch receiver that allows you to carry 3 bikes, but today I'm walking you through the 2-bike version. Now with the RockyMounts product, it's very easy to load. So with this blue handle that you see here at the front, that drops it down into the loading position and allows you to mount bikes. So you can load up to 20 to 29 inch wheel bikes from your road tires all the way up to your plus bike tires, 5 inches plus. It has fully locking capability, so it locks to the trailer hitch using a bolt-on system and an external cable lock that locks it to the bike. I'm going to show you that later in the video, but no, this bike carrier is great because of its spacing. You don't have any handlebar to seat post interference, and it's really easy to use. And for the price point, I think they really did a good job with this. Now once it's on the vehicle, it is pretty straightforward to build. Now it's 1 bolt going into the hitch. I'm going to show you that also later in the video. But no, this blue dial controls everything. So again, just drops it into the loaded position. You can drop it 1 more degree down, and from there you can really do anything you wanted to do. Now with the bike rack, it is pretty lightweight, so you don't have to haul around a really heavy piece. Now people really like that. It's got some wheel cups here that fold up. Assembly on this rack is really easy. Out of the box, you are asked to assemble the wheel trays. So you got 4 bolts on the single mass here and the rear wheel cup. Hey, what's up guys? So it's time to get a bike loaded on here. Now using the RockyMounts MonoRail, it's really easy to do. This blue dial allows you to drop this down into a loaded position. You want to be sure you swing this arm in front of the front tire cradle. Pull that back, make sure the back strap is unloaded. Once we have this here, using a mountain bike today, drops in. I let it rest on the back of that front cradle so it's real easy to do. Swings over the front tire, and it's okay to get a little weight behind there. You don't want to see your bike rolling down the highway, and neither do we, so get a little weight. Hear the click, it'll ratchet in, and just strap the back wheel. Now this rack also allows you plenty of space to get into the vehicle, so that same blue handle drops down and allows you to open up your tailgate. So you got plenty of space to get stuff out of the back of the vehicle. Got this here, forgot the locking cap. So locking bikes onto this rack is really easy. RockyMounts gives you an external cable lock. So this guy actually just wraps through the bike rack itself, nooses in, and drops down onto the tray. And they give you the same locking cap key that closes in, and that's that. So once it's all said and done, I think RockyMounts made a really good product here at a really good price point. So I'm going to show you guys how this attaches to the vehicle in the next little clip and where to find it on the website. Thanks guys.
So here we have the hitch installation. This hitch install is pretty straightforward. RockyMounts supplies you with a bolt, and it threads into the side of the monorail. So you can start this by using your hand and just tightening it up as you see here in the video. But you want to make sure that this is really tight. If it's not tight, your bike rack can wobble around in the hitch. It's not safe for the bikes, and it can make some noise. So please use the supplied 19mm or 3/4 inch wrench to get this guy really snug. They also provide a locking cap, which is the same key as the locking cable, so it's a 1-key system. Here we are at rackattack.com, where you can find all of our products. Now, finding the monorail can be done by hitting racks, bikes, and rear hitch mounts. That will bring you to the full selection of our products. You can scroll through and just kind of browse around and find really any of the products. We carry reputable brands like Thule, Yakima, RockyMounts, Rhino Rack, and Kuat. But you can also use the top right-hand corner, type in MonoRail, and it will pull right up for you. They sell this in the 2-inch, 1.25 inch, and they have the add-on piece. So today we were reviewing the 2-inch. On the web selling page, you can add this directly to the cart. We can ship this to you within 2 business days. Most of our stores have this product in stock, and we can answer any of your questions, always live at all 17 locations. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.